squashing the bike down for maximum speed. Oh, going down then, that's a costly mistake. All aboard the crazy train, let's hope it's not a runaway. Oh, neck and neck then, less than a second in it. Oh, look at the split. What an unbelievable sector from this rider. Oh, nice boost there. Squashes that super low. This is going to be fast. Oh, they go green, but just by around a second. Oh, and a massive boost off this jump. Oh, under real pressure then, just 2 seconds to play with. Clearly a racer with moves like that. Oh, 2 seconds up then. It's been a faultless run, start to finish. Congratulations to that rider.